Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug the Roomba i7 and flip it over to access the bottom. Remove the screws securing the cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Next, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Take a moment to clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. A soft cloth works well for this task, ensuring that all sensors and motors are free of obstruction. Now, locate the motor assembly. It's crucial to handle this part with care. If you're unsure about making these adjustments, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice tailored to your needs. Once you've located the motor, check for any loose connections or worn-out components. If everything appears to be intact, you can proceed with the adjustment. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully adjust the tension on the motor. A slight clockwise turn can enhance performance, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. At this point, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable making these adjustments yourself, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This is a convenient option if you prefer to leave it to the professionals. After making adjustments, reassemble the Roomba by replacing the cover and securing it with the previously removed screws. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to prevent any issues during operation. Before you test the Roomba, it's a good idea to clean the brushes and filter, as these parts significantly impact suction and efficiency. Once reassembled, turn on your Roomba i7 and observe its performance. If you notice any irregularities, consider reaching out for a quote before repair, as this can help you understand any further issues that may need addressing. Remember, no calls, no travel with our service, making it easier than ever to maintain your Roomba. In conclusion, adjusting the motor of your Roomba i7 can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your device but also ensures that your cleaning sessions are as efficient as possible. Always keep an eye on the internal components and perform routine checks to avoid any significant issues in the future. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.